Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? Well, we've got another pen haul for you. Now, as always, very early starts, hundreds of miles of travelling, sometimes fruitful, sometimes not. And what we did, we picked up many, well, not many, quite a few pens. And again, as always, some good, some bad, and some ugly. So, some of these, well, most of these pens will be available, subject to restoration depending on condition or if there's any issues, etc. But yeah, this is accumulation, I think, of 3 days of travelling in the past sort of few weeks. So without further ado, let's show you what we picked up with no specific order. There we go. We've got a Parker case, and there we have it. We've got a Parker Arrow Flighter. There we go. Chrome clip, not clip, sorry, nib. So a Parker Flighter GT. To the front here, another Parker box. Oh, there we go. What will a pen haul be without a Parker 51? But again, in lovely condition, a lovely grey Parker 51 pen. Well, don't remember if it was a pencil or anything. I can't quite remember. Let me just try and get organised to the side here. There we go. We've got a Sheaffer. I think this may be sort of one of the Imperials. I'm not 100% sure which particular model. There we go. It's got a little sack there. Actually, is it a touchdown? Yeah, it may be a touchdown pen. But you've got this sort of semi-hooded nib in quite nice condition and with the original box, as you can see there. We've got these two here. One's an empty box, a golden platinum empty box. If we can open it, there we go. It's got the instructions in there, and the other one has actually got a pen in it. There we go. So we've got this platinum pen here. I'm not too sure what colour it is. It's sort of a skin, sort of brownish colour with the instructions again. Let's pop that inside there. Oh, this one is just a simple empty case. You can see it's a Waterman's case. So I'm sure we'll put a nice pen in there sometime. Oh, this was actually in one of the job lots. It's not a pen. Can you tell what it is? Oh, there we go. It pulls out like that, and that goes in there like so. And we've got a corkscrew and bottle opener. Okay, so quite interesting. A vintage corkscrew. Anybody collect corkscrews? If you do, down below, get in touch. Okay, Conway Stewart, as it says in the box. What's this one? I think this is a Conway Stewart 15. There we go. It's got the nib to it. Unfortunately, there we go. Look at that on the cap there. It's got a chunk missing out of the cap. So, yeah, what do we do with it? I'm not too sure at the moment. Looks like another Sheaffer box. Looks like another one of the Imperials. With is it a chrome? Yeah, a chrome nib. Lovely condition. Great everyday writing pens, these. So anybody looking for a Sheaffer Imperial, there we go. Oh, this one is a Sheaffer Targa in this sort of black colour. Gold inlaid nib, as you can see there. Has a converter inside. That's in nice condition. So a black Targa. I don't get a lot of people actually asking me about Targa pens, although I've actually got a couple available. So anybody interested in Targas, get in touch. So we've got a Swan here. in black. Yeah, nice classic little black swan, as you can see there. It's got the correct nib. I think this one is the 3160, if I remember correctly. So there we have it, a swan. Box is a little bit tatty. A couple more boxes here. Look at this, a Waterman Flare. What's a Waterman Flare, I hear you ask? Well, it'd help if I could open it. There we go, it's a... Is it a ballpoint or a pencil? But that's a Waterman Flare. So, yes, you know, there's sometimes I just buy these things. I don't know what they are. And I'm sure there's people out there that may be interested in that particular pen. Oh, there we go. Another. Again, is this the Imperial range? Look at that. In fact, I'm not too sure what that actually says. Let's have a look. Sheaffer, made in Australia. In fact, yeah, that's the original chalk marks to it. So that's in lovely condition. So it's got the original chalk marks to it. A little bit worn. Yeah, it's a touchdown, and it comes as a set with. Yeah, with a ballpoint. Very nice indeed. And in the original box, as you can see there. A couple more to our side here. Right, this one's just fell out of the box, so let's show it to you. It's a swan. You can see the box is a little bit on the tatty side. But yeah, this one's a nice pen. There's the barrel imprint. Okay. It's got the correct nib to it as well. This one, I believe, is the L21260. Very nice pen indeed. I think that one will come up. That'll come up quite nicely. As I say, the box itself is rather tatty, but it's helped to keep or protect the pen in nice condition. We've got a Nova pen here in this burgundy marble. Yeah, the clip doesn't look too clever there. I think it's a steel nib. But yeah, another vintage pen. And this one's, as it says, the Nova fountain pen. Okay, says what it says on the tin there, the cross pen. And this one, this is a lovely pen. Is it the Made in Ireland one? Let me just check for you. Yep, to the top it says cross made in Ireland. It's got the original nib there. And let me just check the nib for you. Yep, 14 karat gold cross nib. Lovely pens. These cross pens, in my opinion, very much underrated. The great pens. Okay, so pop that to one side. And I think, there we go, they're the last ones. I think, there we go. Occasionally I just pick up an empty box. They come in handy sometimes. What have we got here? Everite for efficiency. Oh, look at this one. Oops, daisy, they're all falling out. So we've got all these leads here. Okay, so what we got here? An Everite pencil. Let me just check what it says. Yeah, it just says Everite, and I think what you actually do is push and pull down on this this ring here. Pull it back again and just press it in. So it's got lead inside. Interesting pencil. Comes with the original box. I know there's people out there that collect these pencils, so if you're a pencil man and you're interested, get in touch. We've got a Parker. What's this one? Parker do fall by the looks of it. Oh, and there we go. Look at that. It's got the original sticker there as well, which is very interesting. Okay, it's got the original nib, and I'd assume it's a aerometric filler. Yeah, that'll clean up quite nicely, actually. Once again, they make excellent everyday writing pens, quality made pens. And as I've just said, if it's of interest, get in touch. And this is the last one in the box. There we go. What have we got? Can you guess? Yes, a Parker 51. There we go. There's the nib in good condition. There you go. And if you look at the aerometric filler there, it's slightly different. This is the later version, the Mark. I can't remember. If you look at the end there, it's sort of flat as opposed to the rounded end. I can't remember the Mark. Is it a Mark 3, 4 or whatever? Little bit tatty on the box, but I'm sure there's somebody out there that enjoy that pen for many years to come. So, as far as the haul's concerned, they're all the boxed pens. So what I'll do, I'll make another video of all the loose pens. We'll make that part 2 for you. But as always, all these are available. Anything of interest, get in touch. But for now, I'm just going to say, I hope you've enjoyed looking at all these pens as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. Don't forget, down below as well, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Kriini from me and all these pens. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.